Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? How you doing? How you been? What's going on? What's good? How you getting it in? Body getting it funny? What's going on, people?
Okay, now this has been reported a couple of months back in January, but I didn't know about this story, or I may have done it. I've done so many stories I can't remember, but the Supreme Court allowed Mississippi anti-LGBT laws to stand. Now, I want to give you an idea of exactly what's going on, especially people in the LGBT. You know, if you're living out there in Mississippi, I want to share this there with you as of today. Okay. Washington, the United States Supreme Court declined Monday to give up the battle over Mississippi laws to allow state employees and private business to deny services to LGBT people based on their religious objection. Signed into law in 2016 in response to the Supreme Court gay marriage ruling, it allows county clerk to avoid issuing marriage license to gay people and protect businesses from lawsuits if they refuse to serve LGBT customers. The law was immediately challenged, but lower courts, without ruling on this merits of law, says those suing could not show that they would be harmed by it. A new round of challenges in respecting the residents who have been denied services, and the issue comes back to the Supreme Court doorstep. Sponsors of the law say that they wanted to protect those who believe that marriage can only exist between a man and a woman, and that a person's gender is determined at birth. A constitutional law firm that helped defend the law praised the Supreme Court for refusing to take up the challenge. Good laws like Mississippi to protect freedoms and harms no one, says Kevin, the allowance defending freedom. Now, he says that the law only purpose was guaranteeing that Mississippians don't live in fear of losing their careers or business simply for affirming marriage as a husband-wife union. But gay rights group promised to continue the effort to get the law stricken down. We will keep fighting in Mississippi until they overturn the harmful law in any state where anti-gay legislators pass law to roll back LGBT civil rights, said Beth of Lambeau Legal. Unfortunately, the Supreme Court decision today leaves LGBT people in Mississippi in the crosshairs of hate and humiliation, delaying justice and equality. The law took effect on October the 10th after a series of initial court fights. So in Mississippi, basically, they can deny you as far as jobs, as far as your rights. They don't have to hire you if you're LGBT, and definitely if you T. They don't have to hire you, and it won't be sued. And the law is now standing behind it, according to this. Supreme Court allowed Mississippi anti-LGBT law to stand. So, I want to share this with you and stuff. Now, this is the thing. While, and I'm just going to give my personal opinion, while all you LGBT people are fighting against each other, this makes you look really weak. Because there is someone that's fighting against y'all to take away all your rights and everything. So when you go to these bars and these clubs and stuff and you fighting your own people, guess what? You got somebody else fighting. Make sure y'all can get taken down. And the more y'all don't learn how to stick together and become unitized, and I'm not saying all LGBT people, but as long as y'all keep going against each other, y'all don't realize what's happening to you. They're stripping your rights. They're going after you in the bathroom. They got even the jobs that discriminate against you, that they don't have to hire you. which means that this is going to fuck with your income, your salary, and your livelihood. And the sad part about it is, this message is going to get reached to some people, but many of y'all going to close your ears to it, because you know why? You don't care. The only time I learn that when people care is when it's on their doorstep. And this is sad. So, you LGBT people, especially the T, yeah, my prayers out there, and keep fighting and holding your hands up, and, you know, it's sad. But I'm going to tell you, it's just a stepping stone to something deeper. They go after LGBT people, the next thing you know, they're going to go after black people. It's just a stair step and see what'll happen. And if they get that right, guess what's going to happen? Even more deeper. Let me tell you something. Everything is set on levels. They go after the lowest one to see what happened. They go after the next ones. And that's going to be you colored people. Us. And what's going to happen? Discrimination for jobs. And clearly that's been happening anyway. Discrimination is going to happen anyway. Whether they want to document it or not, I feel as though it's been happening. But now they got the law behind them doing it now. And it's sad. Because at the end of the day, life should not be this hard. Where everybody's just trying to live their own life. And that's the problem people have. They make it other people's life their livelihood. When you eat, that other person don't shit. So why is it so important to destroy another human being? Because you don't believe in it. But in the same breath, you don't want no one to do it to you. But yet, you sit up there and you do it to other people. Anyway, I love your feedback on this and stuff. This is sad, and it's been reported as of January, and I just get on my desk as far as June. I'm sure I covered it before, but I'm covering it again in case you don't know about it. The Supreme Court allows Mississippi anti-LGBT law to stand in the United States Supreme Court. You know, I love your feedback on this. And like I said before, if you have stir me a coffee, you can email me at ravenover@yahoo.com. And I'll leave feedback on this and leave it at the comment section. And please, if you have a story, send it to ravenover@yahoo.com. Not put it at the comment section. Anyway, I'll let y'all love you and thank you for watching Kiss the Raven.